In 600 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight.
Hi guys! Hi everyone! Welcome to MacArthur Park! Hi guys! So, we're here at MacArthur Park, Tacloban, Palo Leyte. See, Douglas MacArthur. He's on board! So, this is my first time to be here in Palo Leyte. And see, this is the result. Thank you so much for the sponsor, Mr. Randy Diarisco. And this is... Hi, say hi.
Ikaw ang pagpayong te.
Hi. Hi. Welcome to MacArthur Park, Leyte, Palo Leyte. Say hi. Hi, everyone. Hi. Hi kay Heart. Hi, Hunter. Sorry, umuulan. Hi, Kuya Randy. Share na lang namin pag umuwi na kami. Oh, see guys, ang ganda. Ah!
Mayora. Oh. Ang kinatagera MacArthur. Yes, tigani oh. I shall return. I've been